What's good? What's good? YouTube, what's good, chat? Catch up today here, man. Back it again with another market breakdown, man. As you can see, as you can by the title of this video, man. I'll be like breaking down the pair and also analyzing from scratch. You know what I'm saying? So today, yes, I took a loss. I told you yesterday that I'm gonna enter uh just below this level, not understanding that and seeing that this is more of a zone than it is just an area. So yesterday it was something like these. Nah, it was something like this. And I thought that this is just a level, you know what I'm saying? But not understanding that this is a demand. Like, this is a demand zone. As you can see, if I can switch on my other folks, you can see that this is indeed a, you know what I'm saying? This is indeed a demand zone. Though the market identified this as a weak low, but yes, the market will always respect price action. The market will always respect a setup, you know what I'm saying? So this is what also I learned. So one thing I learned again is that losses teaches you what a profit cannot teach you, you know what I'm saying? What a win cannot teach you. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, with that being said, man, I'm glad that I was here, man, to take a trade and take a loss. Why? Because I learned something. You see, I learned to like just to dive in deep and get to see, like thoroughly, like get to see these levels. You know what I'm saying? This is support. This is purely a support, guys. It's nothing. This is just a pure support. Why am I saying so? And this is more of a zone. You know what I'm saying? Okay. So we can see that this is a high, right? It is low. The market bought here. The market then broke above, bought here. So in future, the market came again, bought here again. Not only twice, thrice, but more than thrice, you know what I'm saying? Then the market shot up, right? So in the future, if you're looking for a sell, it will be when the market breaks officially below this level, official like breaks it, give us a lower low, you know what I'm saying? And then however the market chooses to retest does not matter. Choose it can choose to retest here or here or here. But as long as it doesn't break above these levels, you know what I'm saying? So that's when we're gonna look for a different direction, you know what I'm saying? For buys, it's when the market is still like trapped inside these levels, you know what I'm saying? It can break uh below these lows, but as long as it doesn't break below this overall low, we're still good, you know what I'm saying? So this is what I learned, you know what I'm saying? And this is what I've been knowing for, yeah, I know this, but just because of like I told you that, guys, I didn't get to like stay in and get to see and understand what's going on. I just concluded that okay, the market is gonna do like this. Why? Is because this is like for me, if you remember very well when I analyzed the trade or somewhere here. So this is also what I didn't like get to like adhere to, you know what I'm saying? Because probably like was so much um um yeah focused on this current price, you know what I'm saying? Which is also not wrong, and also like which is also wrong because like you have to get overall okay what you call context, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, with that being said, man, let's just get to like clean the chart and then start over, you know what I'm saying? So we're gonna go on the daily time frame, really chill, switch on to line charts, you know, identify our highs and lows, you know what I'm saying? So we're still having this significant, you know what I'm saying, overall high. So we can also come here, identify our low, you know what I'm saying, and also cater for this high here. So we're still inside this region. So we're gonna scale into our lower time frame, which is a 4 hour time frame. So this is what we do in top-down analysis, guys. So if you don't know what top-down analysis is, it's actually starting from like a high time frame all the way to a lower time frame to catch entries. So on a higher time frame, what you're doing is you're getting the context, you're getting to catch and identify those strong, most obvious zones or areas in the market that tends to be respected the most. You know what I'm saying? This is the overall key levels, you know what I'm saying? So you get to identify them and then use them to your advantage on a lower time frame, you know what I'm saying? Because the market tends to respect them. So yeah, this is what overall we're doing, guys. Because if you don't have the context of a background of someone or something, so you're gonna like you are actually setting yourself a failure. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, with that being said, I don't know if this doing this. So I otherwise yeah, as you can see we have a high here, overall high. Yes. I'm just gonna stick to this price currently now, and then also identify this level here. This is more of a zone, guys. So zones are so much beautiful and important also. And I'm saying a zone is something beautiful because it is simple and also straightforward. Like it's, but at the same time, it's like um it requires attention, like so much attention, and don't just conclude. You know what I'm saying? You have to like thoroughly like diving deep in to understand what's going on that thing. You know what I'm saying? And also we have a level here. You can see we have a level, but this is more of a level. This level is more respected than this is respected. You know what I'm saying? So we're gonna always go with what is most respected. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. Go on now. Our time frame. Let's go now. So we see that indeed the market respect this zone. Like you see, like it even aligns beautifully. So we didn't even see it previously. Then we didn't even get to see it because why is this level so much significant? Is because like this is where the buyers came in. This is where the buyers started pushing. You know what I'm saying, or started being produced. You know what I'm saying. So yeah, hence this is a strong and then a level to adhere to or to consider. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, with that being said, we have also insight levels, what I call immediate levels, the levels where the market uses them to actually what you call um continuations. I'm saying so. So yeah, also we have what you call a zone also here. So I'm gonna go ahead and just keep separate. And again, just because you can analyze other blogs, you can analyze zones, etc. You can analyze the market. That doesn't make you someone who's killing the market. Like because like everybody can analyze, guys. That's what you must know. Everybody can see on the chart, especially during NFPs. We see those videos on YouTube. People get to analyze, and everyone has a bit different perspective, and the market will always choose one direction. Everybody will be saying sell, and the minorities will be saying buy. You know what I'm saying? But overall, the market will choose one direction. So what sets apart a professional trader and a trader, and just a common trader? It's purely discipline, guys. So you can analyze the chart, but if you're not disciplined, not only about waiting for a trade to come to you, but also seeing a trade, but if the trade does not make sense to you or does not align with your strategy, so what's your reason to taking the trade? You know what I'm saying? So that's also part of discipline, guys. So you know your setups, guys. You know how your setups are and what are you looking for in the market. So this is purely gold in the as a trader. You know what I'm saying? You're always looking for something that aligns with you, something that you know what I'm saying. I didn't purely like resonate with you. You know what I'm saying? Because my strategy resonate with me because like it helped me to understand what's going on. You know what I'm saying? Because that's why I overall choose to do what you call top-down analysis. Get to understand the context of the you know what I'm saying of the chart and get to understand what's going on overall. You know what I'm saying? And then also current price. You see, I also do the same thing. Get to understand what's going on. You know what I'm saying? Okay, fade in the market is okay, cool. I'm gonna you see, I simply follow. This is what I do, guys. I trade off of setups. I don't just trade, I trade setups. That's what I do. I trade setups. Simple. I don't trade the market, I don't trade Fibonacci twos, I don't trade market what you call big market structure, what I trade setup. That's me. You know what I'm saying? because a setup it's what we're looking for in the markets anyways. You know what I'm saying? This is what I trade, guys. That's how I am, and this is what has been working for me this past few years. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. With that being said, yeah. So we're gonna go to candlesticks. We can see that this is zone also here because the buyers came in here. You see, this is a previously this was a high. As you can see, this was a high, and this was a low, a high breakout retest. You see, and this was a neckline. But the market took advantage of and then short. So constantly, yeah, this market tends to respect this area the most, and then yeah, this is the most interesting area. Now I won't lie, this is a pure good area. So also we and also it is a immediate level. You know what I'm saying? It's not just a level; it's an immediate level. So yeah, with that being said, I'm looking for buys or sells. Right? I'm gonna enter my buys. That's if the market gives me a higher high. Retest with the high low, then I enter my buy. That's how I'm gonna do it. And also currently, I told you stay current. You know what I'm saying? As you can see, currently we have a downtrend. As I'm saying, guys, this is a high high. You know what I'm saying? A high low. Then this is what will be a buy entry for me. So currently, we're still trapped inside this bearish trend. Though the market looks like it has broken outside, but not really breaking outside because we see a rejection. This is just a pure rejection. So a breakout, guys, will be like the market coming here, above here, break above here, retest and go up. Will be a breakout. You see. So yeah, with that being said, I'm just waiting for the market to do it for me, and I will follow. You know what I'm saying. So should the market break again here, overall this level, so we're looking to create new highs. Not new highs, I'm saying we're looking to. There's a possibility that the market can break overall here. You know what I'm saying. So let me just also cater for this level because this is the analysis that we'll be using uh, in the future, probably until next week. That's if the market, you know what I'm saying, is playing in our favor. So yeah, we are still gonna use this analysis. With that being said, I understand that also overall we are outside this spirit trend, this previous spirit trend. So we are still trapped like in a kind of a consolidation because the market is still like inside this region does not have overall a direction because like it's still like trapped inside this. You see, we don't see an overall direction, and then, so should the market then break above here, there's a possibility that the market is gonna break above this here. You know what I'm saying? So we can simply say and conclude that the market is kind of like consolidating currently. Yeah, it's kind of like consolidating. Yeah, I would say I don't think it's convenient for me to enter, and we see so much bearish order blocks here that you know what I'm saying. That means that the market is likely to sell, but as long as we are still trapped on this other block here, and I don't even see a necessity of entering a sell here. To be honest, guys, I don't see myself entering a sell because, like, what if the market then you see come here and give us a reset again? It's simply because I'm scalping, and my scalp trade, this scalp trade, is not that you see for me. It's not giving that for me. You know what I'm saying? So hence I won't enter the sell. The sell I won't enter it, guys, because it's more of a scalp for me, like and unworthy scalp at the same time. This is unworthy for me to enter the trade. So actually, what I'll do instead, I'll at least wait for if the market comes here, retest here, you know, should the market then come here, maybe here, retest here, I might enter buy here or here. But this is a double top, which is more convenient, you know what I'm saying, in terms of entering solve, you know what I'm saying, but this level does not make sense for me, like, it's not that, you know what I'm saying, banning for me, so I won't enter it. I'd rather enter buys, yeah, enter buys. But just to say, guys, I'm thinking of entering buys just above these levels, just to be safe. Yeah, my buys will be here, guys, and then my TP will be here, and also again, should the market then break above that level, yeah, I'm looking to perpetuate. Other than that, nah, sell for me is no, because we can see that we're above this demand zone, and a break below here doesn't mean I'm gonna buy. So you see, reason being that this is just kind of a trap, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, with that being said, this is my predictions. So I'm gonna enter like this, simple like this. So obviously the market can still choose to sell. That's if the market breaks below here and resets below. So about the sell, I'm not sure yet, but also at the same time I'm not confident with it. Yeah, I might answer. That's if you know what I'm saying. I might enter. That's if the market gives me a good retracement. I might enter. That's overall what I'm looking for. You know what I'm saying? And just an update on USDT. So I've already entered the trade, and though I was late on the trade also. You see, in our candle closing was then closed. I told you that the market, I'm looking for at least a breakout, you know what I'm saying, and a retest above this level, then I'll enter buy. So I was not there, you know what I'm saying. I didn't like it. One thing about One thing about me these days is that I'm so very focused on gold, and I forgot to understand that that doesn't mean that this other trades won't play. Like as long as I analyze the trade, I have to get back on it. You know what I'm saying? I have to like monitor it. I have to like check on it. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, that's my problem these days. So which I have to fix and come to like fix it. Yeah, I have to fix that because like this is affecting me now. You see, like I missed like two trades now, so I'm gonna like be in drawdown now. Nah, the market's when the market's still playing around, I don't like that. And then also NAS100 played again. I told you guys the market played again. Like this is crazy, and this is his own guys. I don't know what's going on, guys. So yeah, you see my problem. I analyzed the trade I predicted, and I don't get to like monitor it. You know what I'm saying? That's the problem. I missed a lot. You know what I'm saying? I could have like took profit here, as I said. I could take profit here and then enter again here. You know what I'm saying? So I was late in the trade. You see, BTC wow, TP hit, bro. You see, like I would have like made something. You know what I'm saying? I would have killed. You know what I mean? I would have killed. I would have entered here again, killed again. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, we learn from our mistakes. That's what I told you guys. A loss teaches you what profit cannot teach you. You know what I'm saying? What a win cannot teach you. So yeah, with that being said, man, thank you all for watching, man. Otherwise, that's what did it here, man. Yeah, see you on the other side, man.